Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reroll on TFT or Teamfight Tactics. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open your Riot games or Riot clients right now. Of course, if you have it on your PC already. If you don't, you'll have to go into your whatever browser you're using. Of course, just go and download it. Just type download Riot client here in this URL section right now, and of course once it's downloaded you will need to install it, and once it's installed you will have your Riot client like that. And as you can see here, my games, you will find here your games that is already downloaded into your PC. Of course, as you can see here is my Teamfight Tactics or TFT. Of course, if you don't have it here, you will have to scroll down and press here. And of course, once you are here, you'll be able to download it on the Android. Of course, you will find this on Google Play. You will find it on the App Store if you have an iPhone, and you will even find it on your League of Legends game on your PC. So once it's downloaded for you, of course, you'll have to go and open that up and then go and find a match, look for a game, and of course, once you enter that game, you will find yourself on a something like this. Of course, I spent too much time in the game, so that's why my board looks like that. But of course, if you want to reload, of course, there's two options. There's the option of clicking by your mouse on the refresh button. As you can see, that will cost you 2 gold. And of course, if you don't want to do that, if you want to use your keyboard, you can go and set up a hotkey on your keyboard. So click at escape button on your keyboard, then of course go here into this hotkeys Teamfight Tactics and click on plus, and then go into this refresh store and set it to whatever you want. P for me, as you can see here, and once you finish, click at OK, and then keep clicking at P, and that will re-roll or refresh your shop and you will be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.